Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with my September Ipsy unbagging. It came a few days late. It was supposed to come, I believe, on the 10th. Today is the 15th. It actually came on the 13th, but I haven't had a chance to sit down and film. But I wanted to go ahead and do that with you now. Ipsy is a $10 a month subscription service. I have been subscribed to them for many years. I love receiving this each month in the mail. If you are interested in signing up for Ipsy, I will have a link down below. If you use my link, then I get points to use in the Ipsy store, and you get to subscribe to my favorite beauty subscription every month. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started and see what is inside the pink mailer for the month of September. Digging into it, this is what the bag looks like. It is super cute. It's this black kind of canvasy material with this metallic gold bronzy color down here, gold zipper, and the same sort of bronzy gold color for the zip tie. It says Ipsy on it, and it has these white lashes. It is super cute, and I will definitely be reusing this bag. Moving on to what's inside the bag. It says, the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. And then just hashtag Ipsy. So this is what the card looks like for this month. I really like that quote. So that's a really great, inspiring quote. And now moving on to the products in the bag, there is one little detail inside the bag I want to show you. And it is this little tag. And it says, rules were made to be broken. So they just stuck a little tag inside the bag, and that's really cute also. Moving into the actual bag, I have a highlighter. This is probably like the 4th or 5th month that I've received a highlighter from Ipsy. This one's from Morphe. I've never received a Morphe product before. I've never tried Morphe before, but this is a high impact highlighter in Spark. Spark is the shade. This is what it looks like when I take it out of the box. Really nice packaging. It reminds me of the Wet n Wild highlighter packaging. Very pretty shade. Go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Here's what it looks like on my finger and swatched on my hand. It's kind of hard to see, but it is very illuminating. It is very illuminating, and it is very pretty. I really like that. So I'm excited to play with that. Moving on to the bag, or moving further into the bag, I have a product. This is from Luna by Luna, and it's a translucent powder. I have received some products from them before. Some have been hit and some have been a miss. I have a highlighter from them that I've been using for the past few months, and I do enjoy it. But this is a translucent powder. It looks like a piece of white chalk. I'm not sure how I feel about this, but I will go ahead and give it a swatch. It is very white and chalky. I'm not sure how translucent that is going to work out to be. If I blend it out a little bit, it is still white cast, which does work for me a little bit because I have very pale skin. But for anyone with a deeper shade, this is not gonna work for you. So I'm down to give that a go, but it's definitely not one of my favorite products. Next up, I have from Ava NYC a Satin Dream Leave-In Cream, and this is for detangling, smoothing, and moisturizing for all hair types. Love Ava NYC. Some of my favorite hair care products are from them, so I'm excited to give this a shot also. Last inside the bag, I have a brush from Luxie, which is my favorite brush brand ever. I talk about them all the time. And this is the Luxie 140 Detail Tapered Blender, and it is in collaboration with Wonder Woman. It's got some Wonder Woman and Sigma on there. And the brush itself, it kind of reminds me of like a pencil, like it tapers all around into a nice point. So I can see this definitely working really well for like blending out concealer underneath your eye. Maybe you could try using it in your crease. I will give it a shot both ways and see how it goes. Super soft bristles. I love Luxie brushes. I'm excited to continue to add to my collection. And last but not least, I have two products that were outside of the bag. These are sheet masks from Botanic Farm, and they are avocado masks. So I have two of these. Very excited about these. I have a ton of sheet masks. I got super stocked up when I went to BeautyCon a couple of months ago, but you can never have too many sheet masks. So these are Natural Energy masks. They're good for moisturizing and softening, so I'm excited to use these. So overall, it was a pretty good bag. The only product I'm kind of like, I don't know about is the translucent powder from Luna, but everything else I'm excited to use and to play around with, and I will definitely try out the translucent powder and see if it works and if it actually blends out and is possible to use. But yeah, that is everything that I received in my bag for the month of September. As I said, if you are interested in signing up, I have a link below. I will also have my Ipsy unbagging playlist listed down below as well, so you can go ahead and check out past unbaggings. And if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back, she said shut up and dance with me.